Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the Bullets Wireless Z2 and your phone have at least some charge. Low power can block pairing. Next, open Bluetooth on your phone and keep the settings screen visible so you can watch devices appear. Once done, press and hold the Bullets power button for about 3 to 5 seconds until the LED blinks or a voice prompt says pairing. This forces the headset into discoverable mode so the phone can find it quickly. Now, on your phone, tap Scan or Refresh in Bluetooth and look for OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z2. You must select it to start pairing. When prompted, accept the pairing request. Most phones won't need a PIN, but if required, enter 0000. This confirms secure connection. After successful pairing, make sure both media audio and call audio profiles are enabled. This ensures music and calls route to the headset. Once paired, check the headset LED or voice cue to verify connection. Finish by playing audio and making a quick call to confirm sound and microphone functionality. This verifies the phone is using the Bullets for both media and voice. Then enable active noise cancellation using the headset ANC switch or the OnePlus accessory settings so you get the full experience. If you run into issues, try toggling Bluetooth off/on or reset the headset by holding the power button longer. These steps clear stale pairings and usually resolve stubborn connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.